Hello YouTubers. I'm making this video of my Devo 7e. I got it yesterday and I tried to bind it to all my quadcopters. The first one I tried was the C-Max 11. I watched Frequent Flyer's video on how to do it. And I did everything that he did, literally step by step. And for some reason it wouldn't bind. And then I found out a little later that I have to do some firmware upgrade. And I went and looked for it. I found the deviation site. I found the file that I need to install. Installed that. But I guess there's something else I have to do. I'm okay with computers, but I'm not the best. I'm not like really, not a computer whiz. But I can't figure out how to get this thing to work and to bind with all my quadcopters. Now what I do, what Frequent Flyer did, hit enter, go down to model menu, enter model select, and now when I get here, Frequent Flyer says hit enter. Yeah, I'm hitting enter. It's that black stuff. Wow. It's from the landing gear of my JJRC H22. Anyway, yeah, it's supposed to hit enter, and then it's supposed to go to load, and then, you know, switch it to heli, to multi-rotor, and I cannot get there. Like I said, I guess I need the firmware upgrade. If someone can please help me out, I'd really appreciate it. It sucks when you buy something, and you get it, and you can't use it because you can't figure out how to get it to work. And I know people on YouTube, especially the RC hobby genre, the crowd, people, the people who fly, they're really awesome, friendly, helpful, good people. I've got a lot of help from people in this this community on YouTube, so I know somebody will help me once they see this video. Thank you very much in advance. I hope someone can help me. Thank you very much for watching, and thanks again. Bye-bye.